Hello everyone, welcome to Shawmi's World, and today I will be making the veg noodles in the South Indian style. Yes, this is a completely different recipe and it's very tasty and delicious. So before starting with this recipe, I would like to thank all of you who have already subscribed to my channel, and those of you who has not yet, please do subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. So let's quickly get started. First, in a pan, I'm adding enough water and then some salt. Then we'll be adding the noodles. I'm going to boil it following the instructions. Once the noodle is cooked, I'm going to run it through a sieve. Add cold water through it and keep the cooked noodles aside. In a hot wok, adding oil and then mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds starts to crackle, adding some curry leaves, because this is a South Indian style noodles, it will give a great flavor to it. Thereafter, adding some urad dal and channa dal together. All the measurements are already there in the description box. Toss it for half a minute and then adding the chopped onions. Fry it until it becomes translucent in color. Thereafter, adding all the vegetables, adding the capsicum or the green bell peppers, some tomatoes, and shredded carrots. You can add more vegetables if you want to. Today I had only these in my fridge, so I used whatever I had. Then I'm adding some cashews, tossing everything well together for approximately 2 minutes or so. Adding up some soy sauce. I'm adding some MSG or food enhancer here, and this is completely optional. Then I'm adding the boiled noodles here and mix everything well together. I'm adding some salt as per my taste. You can just taste it once and see whether you need salt. This gives an extra flavor to this. Also adding some black pepper powder and mix everything well. The South Indian style veg noodles, it's ready. This recipe is very different and unique, and it's simply delicious. You all are going to love it. Please let me know how was it. Do try this recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you soon. Bye bye.